Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of exercise 7.1 of coordinate geometry. In my previous class I have completed till problem number 7. So let us see the problem number 6. So let us see the question number 7 now. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So, what we'll do, they have told find the point on x-axis. So, when they say find the point on x-axis, so the point will be, question number 7, find the point on x-axis. So, let the required point be, what we want? Let the required point be, let us take P as a point and point on x-axis they told. So y will be 0, x only. When they say find the point on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. And when they ask find the point on y-axis, then x coordinate will be 0. Here they have told find the point on x-axis, so y 0. So we have to find this point. Now what they are saying, this point is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So let the given points be, let the given, okay, let me write now, let the given points be, let the given points be, let me take first point as A, that is 2, minus 5 and B is minus 2, 9. They are equidistant to the point this. According to question they have told like that. That is P is equidistant to A and point B. P point is x0, A point is 2, minus 5 and B point is minus 2, 9. They are equidistant. PA is equal to PB according to question. Okay, let us find first PA. By distance formula, P point is x0 and A point is 2, minus 5. By distance formula, D is equals to root of, we know formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, distance between P and A. PA is equals to root of, let us write now, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now, x2 minus x1. 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 5 minus y1 0 whole square. Okay, so PA is equal to root of 2 minus x whole square we cannot solve, but here minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5 whole square. That is nothing but PA is equals to root of 2 minus x whole square plus 25. Okay, this is about PA. Now let us see what is PB. P point x0 and B point minus 2, 9. Okay. Now let us find P and B. PB is equals to root of, directly I'll write because this is x1, this is x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. Let me substitute in the formula, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Okay. PB is equal to root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 square. So PB is equals to root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. So according to equation PA equal to PB, they are equidistant. So PA, I'll write this side root of 2 minus x whole square plus 25 and is equal to this side minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. Okay. So now what we have to do is squaring both sides. We have to remove root, right? Squaring both sides. When we square both sides, root will go, that is 2 minus x whole square plus 25 whole square is equals to root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81 whole square. Square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled. Now what is left is 2 minus x whole square plus 25 is left. This side minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81 left. We can see that it is a minus b whole square formula. We have learned in our previous classes a square minus b square is equals to a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let me write a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 25 as it is equal to this side also a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 81 as it is. Okay. Now let us solve. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4x plus x square plus 25. Okay. Now this side 2 square is minus 2 square is 4 minus minus plus 2 2s are 4x plus x square plus 81. Now we know that the same signs get cancelled. X square got cancelled this side. Now what we have 4x will not get cancelled because 1 minus 1 plus that side. So we will bring all in one side. 4 plus 25 is 29 minus 4x 25 plus 4 is plus 29. Okay. This 4 plus 81 is 85. This plus 4x if I will bring here minus 4x 81 plus 4 is 85. If I bring minus 85 is equal to 0. Okay, now minus 4x minus 8x. 85 plus 29 is nothing but 56. 85 plus 1 minus 1 plus. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus is minus. We have to do 85 minus 29 is 56. Greater sign is minus 56 is equals to 0. Now minus 8x is equals to minus this side if I bring plus 56. X is equals to 56 by 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 7s are 56 minus sign. X is equals to what we got? X is equals to minus 7. They have told to find the point now. Therefore, the required point P is x0 was there now minus 7 0. This is the answer. Okay. So exactly same like 7th one problem is problem number 9. See here, let me show you the question. If Q01, already they have given Q, is equidistant to P 1 point, R 1 point, find the value of X and also find the distance between QR and PR. Exactly same. You can see that equidistance, which I have solved now 7th problem is exactly same. Similar type of 9th problem. So 9th one what you have to do is 9th one try yourself which is similar to similar to seventh problem. Just now I have done you bit different, but it is almost similar. Now let me do the problem number 8. Okay, problem number 8. Let me show you the question. Find the value of y. This is the important problem. Find the values of y for which the distance between the point 2 minus 3 and q 10y is 10 unit. Means distance they have given 10 units. So we have to find. Okay. Let me find. The given points are what they have given? P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y and D is equals to 10 they have given. Okay. Let us see. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So this point is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. D they have given 10 is equals to root of x2 is 10 minus x1, x2 10, x1 2 whole square plus y2, y minus y1 minus 3. Okay. I have substituted the value. 10 is equals to root of 10 minus 2, 8. 8 square plus y minus is plus 3 whole square. Okay, what we got? 10 is equals to root of 8 square is 64 plus y plus 3. See here we can see one side we have got root and one side we have got number. Squaring both side. What we get? 10 square is equals to root of 64 plus y plus 3 square and square got cancelled. Now 10 square is 100. This 64 I will bring here, minus 64 is equals to y plus 3 square. Y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10 minus 64 is 36. 10 minus 64 is 36. Square will go that side and it will become root. Y plus 3 is equals to root 36. 1 plus 1 minus, because y plus 3 is equals to plus root 36 is nothing but 6. Root 36 we got 6. Now one time plus, one time minus we have to do. Y plus 3 is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 minus 3. Y is equals to 3. Now y plus 3 is equals to minus 6. Y is equals to minus 6 minus 3. Y is equals to minus 9. This is the answer for question number 9. Now let us see question number 10. Question number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 3x, 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Okay. Here let the given points be. Let the given points be. First I will take P, X, Y. It is given which is equidistant to this given point. P, X, Y is equidistant to A. Let me see, A value is what? Given 2 points 3, 6 and B I'll consider one more value, one more point, minus 3, 4. Okay. which is now exactly same like previous problem we have done. P is equidistant to A, B. P they have given xy, A they have given 3, 6, B they have given -3, 4. Okay, let us solve again. First we will take P and A. P, xy, A, 3, 6. Similar type problem. P distance formula root of x2 minus, only the difference is here find the relation they have told, right? So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x1 y1 x2 y2 we will consider this. D is nothing but PA, root of x2 is 3, minus sign as it is, x1 is x whole square plus y2 6 minus y1 is y whole square. See, we cannot solve this. Let us keep PA as it is. Now let us go for P and B. P xy, B point is -3, 4. Okay. P, B is equals to root of same formula x1, y1. We will consider this x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, sorry, x2 minus x1. First problem is x2 minus x1. -3 minus of minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. Okay. So now what we have to do, we know that they have given in the question PA is equal to PB. So PA, let me write, PA is 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square, and PB is, PB this side, -3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. 4 minus y whole square. So when we will do squaring both side, both root will get cancelled. Squaring both side, we will square this. 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equals to root of -3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. Complete square, this side also complete square. Square and root get cancelled because we have done squaring. Okay. What is remaining now? 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equals to -3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. This we got. Now we know the formula, a minus b whole square formula. So let us go for the formula. How to spread the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this side only we got this. Now this plus sign, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now this side equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and now this plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, let us properly write now. 3 square is 9, 2 3s are 6x. 3 square is 9, 2 3s are 6x plus x square as it is plus 6 square is 36. 2 6s are 12y plus y square. This side 3 square is 9, minus minus is plus, 2 3s are 6x plus x square plus 4 square is 16 minus 4 2s are 8y plus y square as it is. Same sign will get cancelled. X square got cancelled, y square got cancelled. Rest all we will bring one side now. 36 plus 9, 45. Okay, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 minus 6x as it is minus 12y as it is. This side 16 plus 9. What? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 25 it is. So here this side 25 plus 6x minus 8y. Now we will bring x term one side, all terms one side. Okay, 45 minus 6x minus 12y minus 25 minus 6x plus 8y. If we bring this side things this side, it will change the sign. Plus 25 will become minus 25, plus 6x will become minus 6x, minus 8y will become plus 8y. Okay, now first term we have to write always x term. So minus 6 minus 6 minus 12x, 12y, 1 minus 1 plus. What we have to do? Minus. 12 minus 8 is 4. Greater sign is minus, minus 4y. Now minus 45 minus 25 we have to do. 45 minus 25 is 20 I guess, but still I will do 45 minus 25, 0, 20. So greater sign is plus. Plus 20 equal to 0. Now we know that this whole equation is divisible by 4. So let us divide whole equation by 4. Whole equation. It is getting divisible. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So this is the relation. We will change the whole equation sign. 3x here minus means plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relation between x and y they have asked. 3x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relationship between x and y they have asked in the questions. So this complete the exercise 7.1. So in my next video I'm going to start with the exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.